Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today it will not be a how-to video or gameplay, today it will be something totally different. Today I will be reacting to recent events that happened in Phoenix CQB Arena. If you watched my videos, you know that Phoenix CQB Arena is my local arena where I play almost every time that there's a game, except this one because I was unfortunately sick at home and I couldn't witness this on my own eyes. Here's what happened. One player physically attacked another one over some misunderstanding in the game. As I was told, the entire game was carrying itself in a bad mood. People were arguing from the beginning, complaining about each other for not calling their hits, just the usual stuff at Airsoft. And then it all escalated into physical conflict. Like I said, I wasn't at this game, but I managed to get the video footage from it from the guy that was physically attacked. I will show it to you, then we will break it down what really happened, and then I will tell my opinion on it. One thing I want to add is that this video is of course recorded in Slovakia, so it is in Slovak language, but everything important in it will be with English subtitles.
Aj. To je dosť, toto je strašne toxic. Sorry, ježiš, je mi ľúto, sorry.
A ty si nedostal vypoveď. Nie, ani jednu ranu kokotinu vyprávaš to.
Trikrát si povedal, že si nedostal. Hej!
Aj ste budú nadávať do Mongolov. Poď sem, ty poď sem. Hej, ľud. Čo si spravil? Čo si spravil?
Povedal si, že si nedostal.
Čo si spravil?
Strelil som ťa.
Videl si, čo urobil?
Ľud, nebite sa!
Hore ruku, kričím mám!
Nebite
A utekaj,
Ja som ho nepočul.
Ľud do piči jebanej.
Ľud, nebudeme sa tu tlocť. Nebudeme sa tu tlocť.
Víš dobre, čo si spravil? Víš dobre, máš tu na kameru.
Áno, mám.
Máš tu na kameru.
Končíme, poďme, ideme. Potom.
Ty si zavri piču, lebo ty si toľko dostal do tej pračivej kapule vyjebanej. Daj to ven, kokot. Tak si máš to na kamere, daj to ven.
Mám to na kamere.
Aby si vedel, čo si dač.
Počúvaj ma.
S tebou sa vyprávam.
Počúvaj ma, nehoď po mne.
S tebou sa vyprávam.
Nehoď
S
po
tebou
mne.
sa vyprávam.
Toto je moc.
Čo si ty myslíš o sebe?
Hoj.
Čo si ty o sebe myslíš, ty šašo pojebaný? Prestaň nadávať.
Nie.
Čo, chceš? No poď. No poď.
Jeb sa na to.
Poď.
On by neprežil.
As you saw, it was really intense, and if the other players didn't stop him, he would fucking beat him, which is like totally unacceptable behavior. So let's break it down a little. Here in the beginning, you can see some shouting in the distance, shooting and stuff like that.
Aj. To je dosť, toto je strašne toxic. Sorry, ježiš, je mi ľúto, sorry.
A ty si nedostal vypoveď. Nie, ani jednu ranu kokotinu.
Now, the aggressive guy said that he didn't get hit and he's still alive. So the camera guy decides to rush him. This is also very questionable because, like, I think he shot him 11 times. It is relatively close distance, I don't know, about 4 meters. Shooting someone 11 times from 4 meters is like, I understand that some people can get angry about this. I personally hate it. I personally hate overshooting. But also reacting like this to it it's unbelievable. Also in the video you can't really see how many times he hit him because it doesn't have the best quality. Then...
Trikrát si povedal, že si nedostal. Hej!
do mongolov.
The guy drops all his gear and runs at the camera guy.
Ty poď sem. Hej, ľud.
He shoves him,
Čo si spravil?
and as you see, he was going to punch him with a fist as well, but fortunately the camera guy managed to dodge that.
To čo si spravil?
Povedal si, že si nedostal.
What's the funniest thing is that, as you can see here,
To bude zaujímavé. Povedal, že nemá.
A koľko či je? Som rád, že máš kameru.
Mám.
Dáš to ven.
Dám?
Som
Jasné.
rád, že to dáš ven.
as the aggressive guy leaves, he says that he is glad that the camera guy has a camera and that he will put it out. Which is like, what the fuck, man? You dug your own grave. What the fuck? Also, I heard that when the guys left, the game was carrying itself in a really good mood actually, that they really enjoy the next game. And so what's my opinion on it? Well, first of all, this behavior, like I said, is totally unacceptable. Aggressive people like this shouldn't play Airsoft. Also, like I said, some people can get angry because of overshooting, but it's Airsoft and you have to expect it. You just have to expect it that not everyone is gonna treat you like a princess. What I think is really unfortunate as well, on this particular game, there were two kids, like, I don't know, maybe 15 years old, who were playing Airsoft, I think probably their first time. And imagine that you are on your first Airsoft game and this happens. It doesn't leave a good impression on the sport itself. And people like this only put Airsoft in a bad light in front of the public. Because of guys like this, the whole Airsoft community suffers. And I know that guy that attacked the camera guy. I know him. I played with him a few times here in Phoenix CQB Arena. And he tends to be aggressive. And I also heard that previously in the past he was banned from another, I think, 3 Airsoft fields. Of course, this guy got instantly banned from Phoenix CQB Arena. And what happened here got spread in the entire Airsoft community here in Slovakia. And this guy's Airsoft career is over. So some last words from me. If you have a bad day or if something happens to you during the day, just don't behave like this. If you get pissed, just leave and go home. Because when you do something like this, you make it worse for yourself and mainly for other players. Okay, so that'll be all for this video. I hope that in the future I won't have the chance to make this kind of video again. And if you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.